everyone, I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'll be unboxing a little something from Dior, and they also gave me this stunning limited edition packaging with a little gift inside, so I'll show you what's in here as well. And this was a wishlist item. By the way, in case you've missed my shopping vlog video, I will also make sure I link it above if you want to check it out. But I bought a handbag and this handbag has been on my wish list for a couple of months and it was sold out everywhere, so I finally ticked it off my list. I'm so excited to show you, so if you're interested, keep watching. And also don't forget to come follow me on my Instagram, where you can see how I style my new purchases. I show you my daily outfits on my stories, some beauty favorites, because I love makeup as well, so come say hello. Okay, let's get started. I hope you can guys hear me. Unfortunately, I can't speak louder than this because I have a bit of a cold, so I hope you can hear me. That's the loudest I can speak. I want to thank today's video sponsor before we continue with today's unboxing. We'll be unboxing a handbag. Today's video sponsor is Samorga. You guys know how much I love Samorga. Not only their handbag organizers, they're the first company to make organizers, but I also love their accessories. In today's video, I'll be showing you an accessory for the handbag that I got, but I also wanted to quickly mention the organizers because they are the best. They have really high quality organizers made of felt and they have different thicknesses. They protect the inside of your bag. It doesn't matter if it's leather or fabric lining. It is so much easier to clean if you have an organizer. An insert will definitely protect your bag from any spills and leaks inside your bag, any dust. So I would highly recommend them. I also love using inserts inside all my handbags, not only because they keep everything very organized, but they also help maintain the shape of your bags while you're using it, or if you're storing a handbag as well. So the bag would not flop over if it's a softer, let's say fabric or softer leather. You can also pick your favorites color. They have a great selection of colors, from neutrals to pastel, bright colors, so you can match your lining inside the bag or go for a pop of color. And also they have inserts for every single model you can think of, so definitely check them out. I'll leave a link down below. In today's video, I will be talking about some of the accessories when I unbox this bag, so I'll show you what I used for this bag later. And to me, this is a game changer when it comes to this handbag. So let's start with the unboxing, shall we? So before I do that, let me actually show you the free gift that they gave me in this limited edition handbag. They had a pop-up at Harrods and it was all leopard. I think I have a vlog, so I'll make sure I link it above as well. So this is the leopard Harrods Christian Dior bag, and they also put this charm, and inside they gave me one of these beautiful magazines. It is so lovely. I love collecting magazines, and this would also work as a coffee table book. It's beautiful. I can't wait to read it. Oh, actually I won't be able to read it because it is in Chinese. What is their English? Unfortunately, I won't be able to read that, but it's beautiful, so I'll definitely display it somewhere. And let's start with the unboxing. So this is the bag. Again, they gave me this beautiful charm, and wait until you see the beautiful box. Look how stunning it is. This limited edition leopard box. Oh my god, I love collecting limited edition packaging. It is stunning. So here is the box. Let's see how many of you can guess what's in here. Actually, only one person commented on my vlog video and guessed exactly what I picked up. So inside, this is my receipt. Well, let me make some space so you can see. It's wrapped so beautifully. It is a tiny little dust bag in here. There is the, I think, authenticity card. So let's see how many of you guessed. This was on my wish list, so if you have watched my wishlist video, you know I picked up this little blue cupcake, Lady Dior, the micro Lady Dior. Oh my god, isn't she adorable? Let's remove this little bag here so you can see the charms. Here she is! Isn't she adorable? Oh my god, and especially in this color, I'm so in love. This is the original blue. So when they released the micro bags, this was one of the first colors that they released. And I believe they also have, I think it's a classic color, I think they have a larger Lady Dior's in this exact color as well. So initially I was contemplating between the green and the baby blue, but this one definitely stole my heart. I was missing a baby blue, as some of you may know, in my collection. I definitely wanted to add a baby blue bag to my collection, and this is such a beautiful neutral color. It is a greyish blue, so I think it will be very easy to style. Actually, the first time I saw these little babies was on the day of the launch, and I tried it on. However, I didn't buy it, and after that it was completely gone. It was impossible to find. So I've been hunting this color for months now, and I actually found the very last one in Europe. They showed me on the system. They actually showed me on the system and it was showing only one. I saw it with my eyes. So they weren't just telling me it's the last one so I can buy it. It was really the very last one. I saw it with my eyes and I was so lucky to get one. So this is the little cutie. It has champagne gold hardware. It is a beautiful matte lambskin leather, and let's open it up. So actually the reason I didn't buy this bag when I first tried it on the day of the launch, I didn't buy it because of the strap. So inside you can see, here is the strap, and the bag comes with a little flap, and it is just one little compartment inside, and it is lined with beautiful blue suede. So the reason I didn't buy the bag back then was because when I tried it on, the strap was very short. I couldn't crossbody it. It is adjustable, but they should have made it a bit longer. I'm about 170 centimeters tall, 5'6", and it does go crossbody, but it sits very high. You can definitely add one or two additional holes actually to extend the strap, but because it's already an adjustable strap, I think they should have just made it a bit longer for taller people like me. I have actually heard many people complain about the length of the strap of the micro Lady Dior. The straps on the other micro bags are definitely longer. The Carol and 30 Montaigne bags have longer straps, so they sit perfectly on me when I try them on crossbody. This is very short, so that's why I didn't buy it initially, but later on I thought of a little hack I can do, so let me show you my little hack. So this I have shown you in previous videos. This is a Samorga pearl chain. So this is what I use to extend the strap. So let me show you how. I just clip it here at the back, and then I clip the leather strap. Et voila! Look how nice it looks. And actually, because it is such a girly bag, the pearls look so adorable on this little Lady Dior. If pearls are not your thing, you can definitely just buy one of the chains. Samorga offers so many different accessories for your bags, so you can buy different chains. You can also select the length, or if you actually prefer a full chain strap, you can just buy a completely separate strap and just remove the leather strap and clip a chain one. So definitely check out the beautiful Samorga accessories as well. This looks so cute. I would definitely wear it like this crossbody or as a tiny little top handle bag. So let me compare this little cutie to a few different bags. So I bring 5 very popular bags that I'm sure many of you own. So I wanted to show you a comparison so you can get an idea of the size. So this is the micro Lady Dior, and this is the My Lady Dior. I do not have a small Lady Dior. There is a size smaller, and there is also a nano. So the nano is actually bigger than the micro, but this is the My Lady Dior, which I think is one of the most popular sizes. It is between the small Lady Dior and the medium. It is a in-between size, and this is the micro. Oh my god, look how adorable, mama and little baby. Next, I'll compare the micro to a Chanel Rectangle Mini. You can see the size difference. I also wanted to show you size comparison between the round Chanel bags and this, because they're very similar size. However, this fits a lot more, it is a lot more spacious, but size wise they're quite similar. The only thing is this, because it's so structured, it does not fit anything. Guys, it doesn't fit my card holder. I have a Chanel flat card holder and unfortunately it doesn't fit in here. Yeah, but just wanted to let you know, a card holder will be very problematic to fit in here. This definitely holds a lot more. I also wanted to compare the micro Lady Dior to another micro Chanel bag. This is the mini vanity, so you can see the Dior is definitely taller and it probably fits about the same amount. This cannot hold a card holder, so I would say these two fit pretty much the exact amount of items inside. And last, I wanted to compare the Dior Micro to the very popular Louis Vuitton toiletry, just for size reference, so you can kind of get an idea of the size. So I hope that size comparison was helpful if you're thinking about getting the Micro Lady Dior. I'm going to share the price with you. It is quite pricey. Oh, this is a little card. I thought that was the receipt, but it is a little card. Oh, that's so cute. Thank you so much. Okay, where is the receipt then? Aha, found the receipt. So the handbag that is probably the most expensive micro bag I've ever bought. It is 2,500 exactly. So the Micro Lady Dior is the most expensive micro bag from the Dior range, because first, it's Lady Dior, and second, I've been told that this takes a lot of time to make because it's such a structured bag, and all the detailing, the handles. Is it a lot of money for a micro useless bag? Yes. Is it adorable? Yes. Do I regret it? No. Do I recommend it? 100%. It is the cutest thing. If you love Dior, if you love micro bags, if you love Lady Dior, it is such an iconic bag. I think you should definitely get one of these. So let me know what you guys think. Okay guys, that's all. I'm losing my voice, I can barely talk, so I think I'm gonna finish the video here. I hope I didn't miss anything. If you have any questions, definitely leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of my new little bebe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will speak to you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys.